Sick and tired of being sick and tired. Had as much of you as I can take. I'm so done, so over being afraid. I've gone through the motions, I've been back and forth. I know that you're thinking you've heard this before. I don't know how to say it, so I'm just gonna say it, yeah. Fear you don't own me. There ain't no room in this story, and I ain't got time for you telling me what I'm not. Like you know me, well guess what? I know who I am. I know I'm strong, and I am free. Got my own identity. So fear you will never be welcome here. Take a minute, let it settle in. You probably never saw it coming. Something's gotta give, so I give up you. Oh, there's no room for you here, yeah, I've had enough. The no vacancy sign on my heart is lit up. In case you didn't hear it, here it is again. Oh, fear you don't own me. There ain't no room in this story, and I ain't got time for you telling me what I'm not. Like you know me, well guess what? I know who I am. I know I'm strong, and I am free. Got my own identity. So fear you will never be welcome here. Is there anybody out there just like me? Anybody needing fear to leave? If you don't know how to say it, sing along with me. Sing fear you don't own me. There ain't no room in this story, and I ain't got time for you telling me what I'm not. Like you know me, well guess what? I know who I am. I know I'm strong, brave, and I am free. Got my own identity. So fear you will never be welcome here. Whoa. Goodbye, goodbye, fear. Whoa, you will never be welcome here.
Hi, the dance is called No Fear, choreographed by Neville Fitzgerald and Julie Harris. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate to advanced level rolling 8 count line dance. There are 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with left foot, back sweep, sailor step, back sweep, behind side cross, quarter turn to your right, stepping back, hit your right foot slightly, run around 1 and 1/8 turn to your right, running, right, left, right, now you're facing 430, forward, tap behind, quarter turn to your left, stepping back, rock back, lifting your right foot slightly off the floor, now you're facing 130. Section 2, square to 3, cross, quarter turn to your right, stepping back, quarter turn to your right, stepping on the side, cross, side, together, cross, quarter turn to your right, stepping back, sweep, half turn right, stepping forward, sweep, forward, sweep, forward, pivot half turn to your left, half turn left, stepping back, quarter turn to your left, stepping on the side. Section 3, rock behind, recover, side, behind, sweep your right foot, behind, 1/8 turn to your left to 130, forward, round forward, right, left and hit your right foot, back, back, half turn to your right, stepping forward. Another half turn to your right, stepping together, sweep your right. Square to 12, sailor step. One is into your left to 1030, rock back, and lift your right foot slightly off the floor. Last section, fall away, half diamond. Round forward, right, left, quarter turn to your left, stepping back, facing 730, back, back. One is into your left side, one is into your left, forward, forward. Now you're facing 430. Square to 3, side, hinge, half turn to your left, side, point to the side, one and quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right, stepping forward, half turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward. To start a new wall, make another half turn to your right, stepping back. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 in a 3, 4 in a 5, 6 a 7, 8 in a 1, 2 in a 3, 4 in a 5, 6, 7, 8 in a 1, 2 in a 3, 4 in a 5, 6 in a 7, 8 in a 1, 2 in a 3, 4 in a 5, 6 a 7, 8 in a 1. In the stance, there are 2 restarts. On wall 1 and wall 5, you will dance 16 in a count, then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 1 and wall 5 with count, starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2 in a 3, 4 in a 5, 6 a 7, 8 in a 1, 2 in a 3, 4 in a 5, 6, 7, 8 in a. This is the end of 16 in a count. Now restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.